What is Gotra? The ancient lineage system in the Hindu culture. Gotras are an important part of Indian culture, especially in Hindu society. They are the system used to identify lineage or a clan a person belongs to. This system has been followed for centuries and plays a crucial role in various rituals and social customs. In simple terms, Gotra is like a family name that tracks back to common ancestor, usually a sage or a rishi. Each Gotra is named after one of these ancient sages. For instance, Bharadwaj Gotra is named after the sage Bharadwaj, while Kashyap Gotra is named after the sage Kashyapa. Gotras help in understanding one's ancestry and are often mentioned during the significant life events like marriages or other religious ceremonies. When two people from same Gotra wish to marry, it is generally discouraged. This practice called exogamy and is followed to ensure that the marriages happen between individuals who are not closely related by blood. This helps maintain the genetic diversity within the community and makes sure that the upcoming generation is free of any genetic disorders. The concept of Gotra has deep roots in Hindu culture. According to the ancient texts, the seven primary Gotras are linked to Saptarishi, the seven great sages who were mind-born sons of Lord Brahma, the creator of universe. And these seven sages were Vashishta, Vishwamitra, Atri, Jamadagni, Gautama, Bharadwaj, and Kashyap. Each of these sages is said to have established their lineage, which becomes the basis of the Gotra system. This connection reinforces the sacredness and ancient origins of Gotra. There are 49 different Gotras in Hindu society, which named after a sage who is considered to be the founding ancestor. The Gotras are typically passed down through the male line. For instance, a child inherits the father's Gotra. Let's know what is Gotrikarni. Woman upon marriage adopt the husband's Gotra. Before marriage, their Gotra is known as Gotrikarini, indicating their father's lineage. The concept of Gotra is mentioned in ancient Vedic texts, highlighting its long lasting significance in Indian traditions. While primarily a Hindu practice, some other Indian religions like Jainism and Buddhism also recognize the Gotras. The concept of Gotra is not limited to any one religion or language group within India. It is prevalent across the various states and among people who speak different languages. While the specific name of Gotra might vary and the underlying idea remains the same, people often know their Gotra from their family elders. It's piece of information passed down through the generations. Even today, when a child is born, their Gotra is announced along with their name, linking them to their ancestral lineage. Besides the Gotra system, there are other ways in which families identify themselves, such as surnames or community names. However, Gotra has a unique cultural and religious significance. It connects individuals to their ancient roots and highlights the importance of lineage in Hindu traditions. Understanding Gotras is a way to appreciate the rich tapestry of Indian culture and its deep respect for ancestry. It shows how ancient practices continue to influence modern lives, blending tradition with the present. So, next time you hear someone mention their Gotra, you'll know it's not just a word, it's a link to their past. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you.